Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and build out the structure of our form. So I'm going to have a series of videos where we show the different types of fields that we can use within our form. So we'll have things like radio buttons and text fields and links and all that good stuff and choice fields. But what we're going to do first, we have to go ahead and build the structure of it. So what I did is I went ahead and created a title for my form. I went ahead and added a description for my form. And then I have some directions for what the user needs to do after they're done filling out their form. So next thing we need to do is we have to go ahead and create our table, which is where we'll enter our labels and then our different field types. So let's come over here to insert, create our table. So we're going to do 2 columns wide and then 6 rows down. Okay, looks good. Next thing we're going to do is, oh crap, what'd I do? I'm trying to move this over so that we don't have as much space off to the right, or actually I didn't want it to be equal. I wanted to have more space off to the right so that it gives the user more room for their input. So on the left side here, we're just going to enter our labels. So we have the first one as full name, and I'm just using my arrow to jump down, or you could click, it's up to you. Next one is job title, overall satisfaction. Next one is areas for improvement. Next one, I meant to put department towards the top, but that's okay. And then the last one would be, would you recommend? Okay, so what I will challenge you all to do, I know my capitalization isn't consistent. Should probably fix this here. Okay, so what I'm going to challenge you all to do is, make sure they're all capital for all you OCD people out there. So go ahead and create the title for your form, a description for your form, the directions that you want the user to follow after they're done completing their form. Then you can go ahead and create your table. You can go ahead and do 2 columns wide, and then you can go ahead and create however many rows down you want, depending on how many labels you want to add. And then once you're done with all that, then you can go ahead and continue on with the next video. In the next videos, like I mentioned, we're going to cover the different types that we can enter for these different field types. So we have like text fields and choice fields and all sorts of good stuff. So get that done, and I will see you all in the next video.